And my photographer for the yacht shoot is AJ. Love shooting with AJ, so definitely check him out if you're coming to Dubai and you want some pictures. Guys, behind the scenes and I'm shooting with AJ. Amazing Dubai photographer. There you go. Hi everyone, guess where I am? Well, if you said a luxury yacht in Dubai, then you would be correct. Today I'm on Neptune Yachts on their flagship Big Daddy. You can easily accommodate 40 guests and it's 8 to 5 but tonight they're having a massive party with food and beverages included, so if you want to get involved, call the number below.